Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to create a drop-down menu in Wix. So first is you have to log into your Wix account and then choose your site. Now that you're here on your site, you can go to the side pages and menu. So by clicking on this icon right here at the left side of your screen. So as you can see here, we have this are all your site menus. Now to access and to edit one of this, just have to click on this one. And right here, you have your site menus. Now, see, for example, you want to add a new site. So you just have to click on the add menu item and then click on a new page. So for example, I want to add a new page, which is the about section. So you just have to click on it and then select the template that you want to use. So just click on it and then choose your template. Okay, so you just have to click on add page. Then once you've done that, that specific site menu will be added to your page. Okay, so as you can see here at the top, you can now see the about section. So you just have to click on done and then click on the X icon for this, and let's view the about sections. As you can see, here is the about section. Now to add a drop down menu under the about section, all you need to do is to go back to site pages and menu, and then you can actually create a new page if you want to add a new page, but you can also use some of the side pages menu right here. So all you have to do is to click on this one right here beside the side menu and then drag the side menu to your right and put it under the about section or any pages that you want this to become the drop down menu. So let's add this one as well under the about section. So when we close this one and then click on the preview option at the top right of your screen, then you'd be able to see that under the about section, we have two drop down menu, which is the contacts and the our story. Okay, so as you can see, here's a preview view of this. Now you can click on the contacts and our story because we have added this to side menu under the about section. And once you click one of this drop down menu, then you'll be redirected to that specific page. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.